Hey guys, welcome back to PD 110. This week we have Chapter 10, Preventing Cardiovascular Disease. Of course, cardiovascular disease is one of the leading threats to our health and well-being in society. And primarily, although there's genetic factors, it's primarily a cause that can be prevented through diet and exercise. So it's just kind of sticking with the theme of what we've been talking about all semester. This week is pretty much business as usual. You've got your checklist, your intro video, the PowerPoint, the quiz. Notice here, this is where it's a little bit different though. You actually have 2 chapters to complete for labs. This is just you assessing your risk for cardiovascular disease and then also for cancer, because chapter 13 is cancer, but we're going to run out of time and we won't be able to get to that. And so, again, this is just kind of a survey for you to identify your level of risk for, again, cardiovascular disease and cancer. So 2 chapters for labs this week. All right, and then you got your physical activity monitoring report. We've only got 3 weeks to go, folks, so finish on a strong foot. Keep up the great work, and as always, I'm here if you need anything. Have a great week.